More than 666 Kenyans have submitted applications for the vacant positions of Commissioner at the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC. The selection panel has already published a list of all applicants in today's national newspapers. The selection panel chairperson, Dr. Elizabeth Muli, says interviews for shortlisted candidates will be held next week, as our Patrick Amimo now reports.
Members of the selection panel are running against time to ensure the 4 vacant positions at the IEBC are filled in a fortnight. Abigail Mbagaya, former vice chairperson of the National Land Commission, wants to join the electoral body. She holds a master's degree in urban management. Elizabeth Koki Muli, who is the deputy permanent representative at the Kenya Mission in the United Nations, New York, is another notable applicant. Koki formerly worked as executive director at the Institute of Education in Democracy. Former game lawmaker Joseph Akech Donde, who was elected on a Ford Kenya ticket and served between 1997 and 2002, is keen to join the electoral body. He was a focused debater and is remembered for pushing the Donde bill that sought to cap runaway interest rates. The former chairperson of the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, Florence Sambiri Jaoko, is also in the race. She is a special envoy for the Global Alliance of National Human Rights Institutions and lecturer at the Kenya School of Law. Harriet Chigai, the Law Society of Kenya Vice President Emeritus, is keen to join the electoral body. Chigai also served as Deputy Secretary General at the East African Law Society. She is also a member of Mediation and Accreditation Committee of the Supreme Court of Kenya.
The selection panel will commence the shortlisting exercise and shall thereafter publish the names of the shortlisted candidates.
Professor Joseph Naituli, who served as Commissioner, National Cohesion and Integration Commission, NCIC, chaired by Francis Ole Kaparo, also applied to join the electoral body. Lawyer Felix Nyauchi and former Gwasi MP, that was later renamed Suba South, has also applied to join Chebukati. Other notable applicants are lawyer Justice Maithia Munyithia, who served as Commissioner in the Sharad Rao-led Judges and Magistrates Vetting Board. Professor Maurice Amutabi, a Fulbright scholar who holds a PhD from the University of Illinois, USA, is eager to join IEBC. He is currently working as Executive Director of the Center for Democracy, Research and Development. Professor Amutabi formerly worked as Vice Chancellor, Lukenya University, and Deputy Vice Chancellor, Kisii University. Professor Fred Opio Jonyo, who is the Chairman of the Department of Political Science and Public Administration at the University of Nairobi, is among the applicants. Murshid Abdullah Mohammed, who served in the defunct Interim Independent Boundaries Review Commission of Kenya, IIBRC, wants to join IEBC. Murshid also served as Commissioner in the National Police Service Commission that was chaired by Johnson Kavuludi. Norman Magaya, a former Chief Executive Officer of the National Super Alliance, NASA, also submitted his application. Magaya is an oil and gas law specialist. IEBC Communications Manager Tabitha Mutemi has applied for the Commissioner position. She is also a board member, Media Council of Kenya. Yano Alice Jepkoech, who was recently interviewed for the positions of Chief Justice and Judge of the Supreme Court, has also applied to join the electoral body.
In this publication, the selection panel shall also invite the views of the public on the suitability of the shortlisted candidates to serve in the position of member of IEBC.
Interviews for the shortlisted candidates are scheduled for next week. The selection panel hopes to forward the names of successful candidates to President Uhuru Kenyatta on or about 9th June 2021. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
Meanwhile, the Central Organization of Trade Unions, COTU, is